Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, and today we're talking about one of the most legendary names in automotive history, the Ford Mustang. This is not just a car, it's an emotion, a symbol of freedom, power, and pure American muscle. From the moment you look at a Mustang, it makes a statement. The long hood, short rear deck, aggressive front grille, and muscular body lines instantly tell you that this car was built to dominate both the road and the hearts of car lovers. The Mustang has evolved over the years, but it has never lost its soul. Modern Mustangs blend classic muscle car DNA with advanced technology and performance engineering. Under the hood, depending on the variant, you can find everything from a turbocharged EcoBoost engine to a roaring V8 that delivers breathtaking power. That deep exhaust note is something you don't just hear, you feel it in your chest. Press the accelerator and the Mustang surges forward with raw aggression, reminding you why it's considered a true performance icon. Driving a Mustang is an experience. The steering feels confident, the suspension is tuned for both comfort and performance, and the balance between power and control is impressive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it on twisty roads, the Mustang stays planted and composed. Modern driving modes allow you to change the car's personality, from calm daily driving to full beast mode with sharper throttle response and louder exhaust sound. Inside the cabin, the Mustang offers a sporty yet comfortable environment. The seats are supportive, designed to hold you firmly during spirited driving, while still being comfortable for long journeys. The digital instrument cluster, modern infotainment system, and driver-focused layout give the interior a high-tech feel without losing that classic muscle car charm. Everything feels purposeful, making you feel connected to the car at all times. Safety and technology have also come a long way. The Mustang now comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, performance monitoring systems, and connectivity options that make it practical for daily use. This proves that the Mustang isn't just about speed and power anymore, it's about delivering a complete package. What truly makes the Mustang special is its heritage. This car has appeared in movies, racing circuits, and garages of enthusiasts around the world. It represents individuality and rebellion, a car that refuses to blend in. Owning a Mustang is not just about owning a vehicle, it's about joining a legacy that spans generations. In today's automotive world, where many cars feel similar, the Mustang stands out with its bold character and unmistakable presence. It offers excitement every time you start the engine and reminds you why driving can still be fun. That's the magic of the Mustang, and that's why it continues to be a dream car for millions. This is 91 Gearbox, and if you love real cars with real character, the Mustang definitely deserves your respect.